really mad because I just lost all of my makeup. So I'm eating a sandwich to console me. It's not working that well. I just got back from traveling and I noticed all of my makeup was gone. My favorite makeup, at least. So I'm eating a sandwich. I went shopping and got some like random stuff. A lot of aesthetic things. I'm just like really into it. So we're gonna just show you what we got. Okay, I'm sorry, I'm like leaning like this. Like I have really great posture. That was a joke. I don't have really great posture because I'm leaning like this. I look like a C. But my camera setup is like really weird and it's not high enough. So instead of just getting up and fixing it, I'm gonna be lazy and sit like this. I like to start with what I'm wearing, and this is my sweater from Revolve. Oh my gosh, I think this is my favorite sweater like ever. So it's just like this kind of ripped sweater, but I liked how like minimal the ripped was. Like it wasn't like a huge gap right down here. Like I've seen a lot of sweaters like that, and this one's just like minimally ripped and it looks really, really cute. Like I'm really, really about this. And I just layered it with some accessories, some rings and a necklace, and yeah, I'm kind of a child and I got my name on a necklace, but I thought it was really cute, so I don't care. So yeah, this is my first sweater and I absolutely love it. Okay, so the next sweater that we have, or actually it's a sweatshirt, and this is from Champion. So it's very plain, but it has the Champion logo right over here. I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but it's white, so it blends right in. But I just love it, and it's super, super soft. I don't think I've had like a softer sweatshirt, honestly. This one is super soft, super cozy, and I just really like the look of it. I like really baggy things, especially layering with a lot of jewelry. It just looks super, super cute. Now, these are kind of hard to find online. It's like, I couldn't find very many of the white. So I got this from Amazon, and this is a men's small. So it is a little bit extra baggy. However, I kind of like it. Like, I'm actually kind of here for the bagginess. So it actually works out pretty well. Oh yeah, okay. Do I show you the hashtag YOLO purchases or not? So the next top that I got, oh my gosh, I don't have anything like it. And it's this cute kind of like sweetheart neckline, kind of like corset top with ruffly sleeves. It's all black, and you actually zip yourself up. Hold up. You actually zip yourself up in the back. I don't know if you can see it again, but it's right down here, and you just unzip and zip. Super easy. You don't have to literally tie yourself in every time, which makes it nice. But I just love the sleeves. It's very feminine, it's kind of vintagey, and it's just super adorable. I think this is so cute. And actually, I thought this was gonna be like really, really low, and because it kind of looked like it on the website, and I was like, you know what? I think I'm gonna take a chance. Hopefully it's not super low. And actually, I don't think it's that low at all. It works perfectly. So your boobs won't be hanging out, which is important. And it's all good in the hood. So I look like How to Dad on YouTube. If you don't know who he is, you have to watch him. He's my favorite. He posts lots of funny dad videos, and like I could just watch him for days. Like he's hilarious. Anyway, continuing. Okay, I don't know if I showed you guys this already, but it's so cute. So it's a vintage Guess sweatshirt. I had this for a while, maybe about a month and a half or so, maybe 2 months. I don't really know. Either way, I've had it for some time, and I don't know if I put it in a haul yet, but I love, 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 love this. So it's very simple, but I like the vintage logo on it. I actually had a photo shoot done with one of my friends, and I took a lot of pictures in this with some jeans, and it just looks so cute. It's very simple, but that logo just stands out. I added some gold jewelry on top of it, and it just looks so beautiful. Very simple, but girl, like it works. So Dote actually sent me a bunch of fun stuff. I actually came back like I came back 2 days ago, and I noticed there was like a box in the mail from Dote, and I was like, all right. So checked it out, and they threw like a bunch of fun goodies in there, and I'm super excited about them. So they're part of this haul. And part of that fun goodie box from Dote was this thermal from Randy Melville. And it fits really great. It's like a little bit oversized, and it actually buttons up. I don't know if you can see, but it like, yeah, see, like it buttons up. There's 3 buttons. And this could be a great sleeve shirt. It could be something cute you just wear to go out and very casual with some jeans, some booties, heels, whatever. Just kidding, no, you don't want to put heels with this. That would look really weird. But like some sneakers, boots, like whatever, like some necklaces, rings, you're good to go. I'm so weird, I know. Also, they gave me something really cute. I would never choose this for myself. However, I'm glad they chose it for me, you know? It's like, I would never get that, but like once I have it or like as a gift, I'm like, oh, yeah, like I really love this. So, perfect. So, they gave me some Champion tall socks and I really like them. I was like, oh, that's kind of strange. I don't think I would ever choose them, but I like them. I'm gonna wear these with my Air Force Ones. Oh yeah. And maybe some high-waisted jeans or shorts, I mean. And I think it'd be super cute. Maybe like one of those tube tops from Brandy. Girl, I think that'd be smoking. Again, with some jewelry, poppin'. Like, I just love adding jewelry to anything. It just makes like the whole outfit look differently. I love it. They also gave me this little tube top also. I think it's from PacSun. Yeah, and it's really cute. I like the lavender. Again, something I wouldn't choose myself, but I like it. So that's kind of fun, and it's really stretchy and it's really nice and comfortable. Oh my gosh, there's so much stuff. So the next thing I have are some sweatpants from Free People, and I actually just did a video with 602, and they're like a retailer of like casual fashion, sporty fashion, all sorts of stuff. And they sent me these sweatpants, and they're so comfortable. Like, oh my gosh, I could live in these, which is dangerous because if I could live in comfortable clothes, I totally would. Oh yeah, also they sent me some of these Free People like workout leggings. So they're all black, but I love them. They're very unique. Like, they have this very unique stripe down around the calves, and it's just black, and then it has the band with that same stripe, and they're super cute. I like that they're very plain, but they just have like a fun design on them, and they're really easy to match. We also have a sports bra from Nike, again from 602, and I love this, and it is padded. There's some sports bras that aren't even padded. That makes me feel uncomfortable, so I'm really glad this is padded. Speaking of unpadded bras, so don't give me an unpadded bra. Honestly, I'm gonna have to put a bra under this. I will feel too uncomfortable wearing this without any bra. I have a couple more things to show you guys. I like Lululemon a lot, but they're really pricey, and I haven't gotten anything from them, I think, until this year. I have friends that love them. They're like, oh my gosh, you have to get some. They last you forever, and if they start to like peel, there's a term for it, but I can't remember what it's called. You can actually take it back and they give you a brand new pair of whatever it is, I think, if they still do that. And I was like, oh my gosh, like that's pretty incredible. So even though they are pricey leggings, they feel really nice and they suck you in really, really nicely, and they give you good shape. They do just that. They suck me in and they keep me looking like I have a shape, and I love them. Okay, super adorable. So, excuse me, I got some sunglasses from RayBan. Okay, so we got some RayBans from, I don't know, maybe RayBan? So, for Sephora collection, that was the trip I just got back from. They gifted us, honestly, so much. Like, it was ridiculous. Like, they just wined and dined us. Didn't actually give us wine to minors, but I mean, they treated us like royalty, and bless their hearts, because they put so much time and effort into that trip, and it went so smoothly, and they just gave us so many amazing things. Thank you so much, Sephora collection, for everything you did for me. I'm over the moon still. But they gave us a pair of sunnies, and these are so fun. Again, something I would never choose. These are not like the style I would be like, oh, that's just what I'm gonna get. I like more plain, simple things. However, one of the girls that actually works there picked out each individual ambassador's style of RayBans, and I thought that was super sweet. So she tried to correlate to like our own personal style, and I thought that was so adorable. So she chose these for me, and I love them. I think they're super fun, they're super spunky. Again, maybe something I wouldn't choose myself, but I'm glad she did, because it's like she stepped outside the comfort zone for me. And I'm super glad she did, because I think these are super fun and they're really cute. So, yeah, adorable. Also, they gave us a camera. So this is the Polaroid Snap Touch, and it's actually digital. Oh my gosh, it's already on. Oopsies. Well, okay, we're still trying to figure out how to work this thing, but it's really fun. Like, you get to actually edit it on the screen before you print it out, I think. That's what I've understood from it so far, but it's really fun. So this is really fun. I'm really excited to play around with this. But for real, now this is all I have for you guys. So yeah, I love everything that I have. I'm really, really excited about it. And I get really uncomfortable with outros because I don't know what to say. Like, yeah, I really love everything, blah, blah, blah. And it's like, well, okay, duh, you love everything. Why are you making a video? You know, so I get really stressed. I hope you love this video, but for real, I really actually hope you love this video and found it helpful or just whatever. Be sure you guys are getting super, super excited for Tuesday and Friday videos. Oh my gosh, I'm super, super excited about it. This is gonna be so much fun, and especially when I go to Australia. And I'm gonna try to show you as much as I possibly can with like the nature and the beaches, because that's personally what I love. I love going outside and seeing the beauty of it because Australia is so different. So I'm really, really excited to take you guys around, and I think we're gonna have a lot of fun this time. So yeah, if you guys haven't hit that subscribe button already, obviously do that right now, and we'll keep up together and we'll be chat-a-latting, and I will see you guys so, so soon. Bye! Also, sorry I talk really fast. That's a problem of mine.